What's up, everybody, and welcome back to T and Sharinda's TV. I'm T.
I'm Sharinda, and welcome back to another mukbang. Yes.
I wonder how many times you say that.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
I don't even know.
Yeah. What's up, y'all? But anyway, welcome to our channel. If you've been here before, welcome back. If you are new here, please do us a favor and go ahead and hit that like button. Show us some love, if you will. Go ahead and subscribe to this channel. And do not forget to hit the notification bell. So every time you'll be notified when we upload another video.
That's right. Yeah, today we are having some stuffed pork chop. Yes, stuffed pork chop. I said, I want to give this. I never tried this. I think you tried it before, didn't you?
Mm-hmm.
T, she tried it. I ain't never tried it. So, I want to try. I like to try new different things. So, we're going to get right into it. And just come on here and talk to y'all a little bit. But we're about to pray over this food. Amen.
I hooked it up.
Got that coldest water bottle. This water gets super cold. The link will be below of this video. Y'all go grab y'all one.
Well, I got me some moon mist.
I got water today. So, but yeah, this gets super cold. I was so excited to get this bottle.
Refreshing.
It keep your stuff cold up to like 2 or 3 days. If you leave it in a hot car, it'll still be good and cold.
Would y'all like to know what's up in this? What I did was that I took a big old pork chop, the thickest one I could find now, chopped it down the middle, kind of slid it down the middle, you know what I'm saying? Turned on the side, kind of slid down the middle. Had some leftover ham, so I put that in there. I had some croutons, threw that up in there, some mozzarella cheese, threw that up in there, and some onion and bell pepper and stuff, kind of mixed it up, and threw it in. Put some extra cheese on top, and put it in the oven. And let it rip. I didn't do nothing real big, but she never tasted it, so I'm see what she think about it.
Ooh. Some big old joker. You know what?
She
Instead
wanted
of me
it.
cutting it, let me pick
I was
this.
just about to say, just pick it up. You could just pick it up. Pick it on up. Should have threw some sauce on it. Taco sauce. Oh, look, y'all.
Well, yeah. That's good.
I told y'all
I ain't never seen no stuff.
Don't you start that. I ain't never.
I
ain't never heard of.
I haven't.
Well, I forgot. Yeah. But anyway, look, yeah. Trust and believe what they say. Please believe it. Please believe it. My brother hooked me up on it. And it's pretty good. I don't know if I'm going to use it, though. I'll use it on my chicken. I was going to try it on here, but I got some pepper. I don't know. I might. I don't know. Give me some steak sauce.
That real good.
I know it is. I knew you was going to like it.
But the stuffing, I ain't never. I'm about to put some sauce right here. I ain't got no little container.
You gonna put it on some foil? Should've grabbed one. I think I better pick it up here too, cause it's like a little pan. Y'all see this?
It's like a pizza.
I know. It's how I cut it though. I cut it like down the middle.
Yeah, that's a big old thick pork chop. Okay, that's how it look, y'all. That's a lot of meat. We ain't need no side for this. But anyway, How y'all been? How y'all doing? Hope y'all liked our little shopping vlog.
She didn't tell me she was recording. Like, later on.
Yep, I got you.
That's all right. This thing good and cold. It got ice in it.
This water good and cold too. I haven't had this in my video for a minute, but I still use the coldest water bottle.
Yeah, baby boy.
Take it everywhere I go. Onion.
Mm-hmm.
That mother thick. Got a good taste to it too.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. I'm big, I got a little mouth.
But anyway, y'all know it's my birthday next week. Yeah. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm still debating. I don't know what T got planned, so. But we got a big surprise for y'all on the next video. It's gonna be funny.
Don't start. Don't. I'm sorry. But don't start. Don't start.
Oh boy, this gonna be hilarious. I said I wanna
What you
do
trying?
a different video.
What you trying to do?
It's gonna be a
Just don't say nothing, dear. Whatever it is, because I might be able to talk you out of it.
You think so?
I feel that.
Saying what? You ain't saying nothing over here.
Oh.
And keep on eating your little jalapeno pepper.
I don't know what she got going on.
No, I wait.
That's a pepper. That's this.
Yeah. Every time you eat them things, they make your eye turn weird.
I eat them because it helps with the germs and stuff. It open up your pores and keep germs and stuff. Well, it helps with like the germs or whatever. I read up on it. Well, infections.
I should got me some banana pepper.
You got something in my face?
No.
That joke, that bust. What I did, that.
All right, I'd be saying, but we could be trying to do little clips, little video, cooking video.
I need
y'all how. But you still could tell them what all you know.
I don't remember. I just went in the kitchen and just started cooking.
That look good.
I
told you we need to go ahead and open our restaurant. Like everybody was saying.
Need to. Because I forget, there's a lot of land down here in the South.
It sure is. See, we had start selling plates too. So, for, I know that's a lot of work too.
When I met her, she was the candy lady.
Yeah, I'm the candy lady. I do chips, I do drink. Them kids be driving me crazy. Especially them ice cream cones.
Ooh.
We don't need you choking on camera. Mama Dill gonna come for you.
It's a little hot. Oh, yeah.
Drink this something. It's hot for real. Oh, I can't do jalapeno pepper. Y'all be rushing me to the hospital.
Ooh, look at my eye. I can hear it hitting the back of my throat. I think when I got to the bottom, that was it. It was all right at the beginning.
Yeah, we start from the bottom, now we're here.
Ooh. I'm gonna bite no more of that.
The Jamil family, they got some good challenges. I want to do that one challenge they've been doing with they did the chicken nugget. They take these, it's like them, you know them, not the sandwich bag, but them brown paper bags. You get some brown, well, we get some brown paper bag or the white bags, and they stick the bottles, steak sauce. It's like steak sauce, hot sauce, ranch, mustard, and you got to switch the bag around or whatever. And whatever sauce you pick, you got to put it on your chicken nugget.
Oh Lord.
I said that look fun.
Ooh, y'all, that was hot. Oh God.
But you gotta close your eye while I'm switching the bag. And you switch the bag about two times. And I close my eye and you switch the bag. I'm real fun.
I'm steady killing this drink. Ooh.
But you still eating them things.
No, I'm not neither.
Oh.
I sat it down. Ooh, it's gonna change my voice. That thing hot. Ooh.
No, ma'am.
Wait a minute. I'm serious. Oh, something popped in my eye. It's in my eyeball.
For real?
Oh.
What do you want me to do?
Got the camera. Got the camera.
We about to tune out, y'all. So come and like, subscribe.
My eyeball.
Bye.
All right, y'all. We back.
Oh, baby.
Look at my eyes, man. I don't know what happened.
I'm over here trying to fan and that didn't work.
I don't know what happened. I think I grabbed the wrong paper towel and now when I remember I did like this or something. But I don't know. Something. I probably rubbed my eye.
That wasn't funny, but oh God. Them things you do, them things you can't touch nothing, no parts of your face.
Man, look like I ain't gonna even say it.
Did y'all see that?
Hey, we're gonna leave it up there too. So
I was gonna edit.
I said nope. The fight must still go on.
Oh boy.
We're not gonna be long no way, so.
But we just want to bring y'all a video today. But I ain't know this jalapeno pepper gonna get in all and baby eye. Oh.
I taste some croutons up in there.
Mm-hmm. I was too. I can taste the ham, the cheese, and everything.
Mm-hmm. You joke a bust in there. But y'all don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Yeah.
Please don't. I just burnt my eyes for y'all and got back on camera like ain't nothing happened. Oh God.
But I'm full. Cause that don't hit the spot tonight. But anyway, we about to tune out. And we see y'all on the next video. And also,
make it quick, cause my eye about to start burning again.
Y'all make sure push them. Make sure y'all got your notification on, cause a lot of people ain't been getting our notifications. So if y'all ain't been getting it, just check out our channel and see we have upload. Okay. So we'll see y'all on the next video.